G'day, I'm Peter from RRF Boating, and I'm now down south coast where I'm going to be taking my bits and pieces out. I've got trolleys here and stuff like that. In the back of the Hilux I have the 5 horsepower 2-stroke Suzuki in there, which I'm going to be putting on my Bermuda 375 dinghy. And of course that means once again taking off the wonderful, fantastic 25 horsepower 2-stroke Mercury. Now I've got a new stand in the back of the car which I'm going to put this on, because the last time we took it off it went a bit pear-shaped, didn't it? It was actually twisting the stand, and the last thing I want to do is damage this wonderful thing, because to find another one, well, I'm going to find that a bit of a challenge, I think. So let's get it all sorted now. I'm quite excited to see what this motor can do. After all, the effort of putting new spark plugs in, replacing gear oil, making sure that they would shift correctly, because it was getting stuck initially in gear, then it was getting stuck in reverse, and then it wasn't going into reverse. There were so many wonderful little things that I had to solve with this motor. And now that basically it seems to be running quite well in the test tub, it is time to actually get out in the water. So let me hook it up to the back of the boat. So I'm just down my local boat ramp now, and I'm going to get the boat off and tied up to the actual wharf. The plan is simple really. I just want to make sure that the motor starts running and running properly before I do anything a little bit more adventurous, like actually going out and putting around. So let's get into that. running it. I'm just making sure that everything works perfectly before I venture out any further, because that would be disaster and a bit of a paddle to get back to shore if that doesn't work. So step by step we shall find out if the 5 horsepower 2-stroke Suzuki is up to the task, and we'll go from there. So I've been testing the motor for a little bit now. It goes into reverse, it goes into forward, and I'm pretty happy with how everything is working. So I'm going to go out and try a little putt. It seems like the wind and current have calmed down. Unfortunately, the GoPro audio has stopped working, but I'm not going to let that deter us. So let's continue. See how we go. That's full throttle. Go full throttle again. Try to lift forward a bit. So that was absolutely fantastic. I'm over the moon with how everything has gone. I'm really happy that all the hard work has paid off and the 5 horsepower 2-stroke Suzuki actually works quite well. Of course, I do need to get it on a boat that actually is more suitable for it, because I couldn't get it on the plane, but I think everything is looking very promising right now. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to jump on board and subscribe if you haven't already, and please give this a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. There are more videos coming regularly. Alright, I'm Peter from RRF Boating, and I'll catch you in a future video.